This video demonstrates how the motor encoder works. By using QEI, which stands for Quadrature Encoder Interface, the output value of the Hubo Plus motor encoder can be visibly expressed. In this particular tutorial, we will display the encoder outputs on the 7-segment display, which is embedded in the Hubo Plus motor driver. As a result, if we manually rotate the motor, the number displayed on the 7-segment display will increase or decrease based on the direction of motor rotation. First of all, you can simply click the first link below this video to download the necessary MPLAB files and create a project file. If you don't know how to create a project file, go to step 1-2 in Hello Hubo Plus Motor Controller page. Or, if you have done Hello Hubo Plus Motor Controller page, you can simply edit the main source file that you have from the previous tutorial. First, let's talk about the Quadrature Encoder Interface, which is simply called QEI. There are two QEI input signals, which are A and B. The combination of 1 and 0 from each of two A and B input signals can be calculated as shown in the tables. For more details about QEI, refer to the second link below. Now, let's look at the QEI initial function, which is called initQEI. You can find it in the init function source file on the left. In the first two lines, you set up the pins where A and B signals are connected to. For Hubo Plus motor driver, A and B signals are connected to RP16 and RP17 pins respectively. Since the Hubo Plus motor is too sensitive, the maximum encoder value will be set up as 10,000 in the next line. The last three lines are to set up quadrature encoder 1/16 resolution and digital filter output. For more details about the QEI setting, refer to the third link below. Next, we need to set up the output variable in the main code, so let's go back to the main code. There is a function to call in the QEI outputs in the code, which is called POS1CNT. The number 1 represents the channel number. Because we only need the numbers below 10, maximum encoder value 10,000 is divided by 1000. So the maximum value of encoder variable cannot exceed 10. Also, by using if loop, you should initialize the encoder value when it gets number 10. Secondly, we need to make a function called printNumber, which will allow the 7-segment display to turn on the each segment light depending on the encoder outputs. Since there is only one 7-segment display on the Hubo Plus motor driver, only the digit numbers will be displayed based on the motor rotations. For this function, total 7 GPIOs are necessary. Before setting up the function, let's look at the diagram of 7-segment display. As I said, to use 7-segment display, total 7 GPIO pins are needed. As shown in the diagram, each of segments are connected to the individual GPIO pins. For example, to represent number 0 on the 7-segment display, all the pins except for A8 pin needed to be turned on. Therefore, in the code it is expressed as shown in the box. If you look at the printNumber function in the main code, the pins are turned on or off in respect to each digit number 0 through 9. By using switch function, the number between the parentheses will be displayed on the 7-segment display. After you build up and compare the code, you will see the result. Thank you for watching.